Have you ever noticed that stepping on a slant board instantly reduces knee pain and helps you squat deeper? The thing is, it's not magic. There's actually a reason, and I want to help you understand. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Dr. Brian Larish, and I own a physical therapy clinic in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I also work with clients all over the world to help them understand their movement patterns, fix their compensations, and get them out of pain. My goal is simple. I want to give you those skills so you can also start to move better and to move pain-free. To understand this slant board magic trick, we need to understand two principles. Principle number one, we're all moving forwards. If and when the body cannot produce enough downforce, then the body will start to compensate by shifting more and more forwards. And so we move forward so we can compensate to actually push down so then we can continue to move forwards. Principle number two, the result of that is varying postures and positions and asymmetries because every single one of us needs to maintain our center of gravity so we don't fall. So keep that in mind that we all are finding ways to produce downforce by shifting forwards, and we are starting to move and twist and turn to make sure we don't fall. With that, let's move to the whiteboard and make this really simple. So let's look at two examples using a number line. We have person A and person B. Let's say person A is starting here and person B is starting there. Over here represents a forward center of gravity. So the closer they are to here, the more forwards they are. So when person A goes to squat, they move to there. Person B goes to squat, they move there. Now, which one, if they're traveling at the same speed forwards, is going to run out of space first? It's going to be person A. Why? Because they are starting closer to the end. That is the key point. The forward center of gravity creates a scenario where we don't have a lot of movement variability. So, when someone experiences knee pain during a normal squat, they go to squat, they hit their end point, and they experience pain. Conversely, if we go to person B, they may never feel pain because they have more movement capabilities available. So when we go on a slant board, here's what happens. It shifts the center of gravity back. Person A now gets shifted here. So when they go to squat, they have more range available and they don't experience pain because they don't hit their movement constraints. Same thing would happen to person B. So the slant board shifts the center of gravity back so we can move more forwards without encountering pain. Now, if you experience knee pain, you can definitely implement a slant board and test it out for yourself. However, if you really want to learn how to be in a new position so all exercise and movement doesn't hurt, then I would encourage you to click the link below to inquire and learn more about either in-person or virtual rehab and/or training. What would happen is we would go through my 3-step system to truly learn how to move pain-free. I always tell people that moving pain-free is a skill. The thing is, most people don't know the right steps and also don't know them in the right order. So again, if you're interested, feel free to inquire below for in-person in Charlotte and/or virtual all over the world. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.